Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial from the playlist Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a black screen with text in the start of a video. So, first of all, what you need to do is simply just go to, as you can see, this is the name of my project, Untitled Project. I'll just right click over here, go to New Item. Here, as you can see, there is a black video option. It will ask me for the width dimensions of the video and the frame rate of the video. As the remaining videos of mine are 30 fps, I'll just go and make it 30 fps too. Here's a black video for 5 seconds. As you can see, there is nothing, it's just a video. So you can do anything with this video. You can increase its speed, shorten it. If you want it to be less than 5 seconds, you will just go over here. As you can see, the cursor changes, move it to whatever time you want. Now the next uh, the next thing is, if you want to add a text on this video, how can you do that? Just simply go over here or type T, and you will have a text cursor. Go to the video and click on the video, and you can type anything. I'll type how to add a black screen in Premiere Pro. So, can you change the text? Yeah, just simply go over here, click on these double arrows, and go to Effect Control. Now, select this text. You can see you can do different things with this text. You can change the font of this text. Let's say we have various fonts. I'll go with Cooper Black. You can change the size. You can increase, decrease the size of this font. Furthermore, you can change the color of this text, red with a different stroke, I guess, with a white stroke, or with a gray stroke. You can change the position. I'll just move it. The first parameter is an x-axis, the second parameter is the y-axis. I'll just move it slightly here and in the middle of the screen. Yeah, that would be fine. And here you go. That's your text. So if we just play it back, you can see this is the start of a video. You can increase, decrease size. That would be for another tutorial video. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it useful, um, go hit the like and subscribe button to support me. Thank you so much. See you all next time.